Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add follow button on Facebook page. Let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook app, and after that tap on the menu bar of your profile. Then you can find out your page, tap on your page, and after that switch to your page from your profile. Then tap on your profile of your page, and in here you guys can see the three dots. Tap on here, and then if you can't find any follow button on this list, go back and then tap on the menu bar, and after that scroll down, tap on help and support, and after that tap on report a problem, because this is a problem and you just have to turn this button on and tap on report problem. And if you tap on include in report, then tap on profile. In here, if you describe the issue, for example, right here, I don't find any follow button on my Facebook page, and then write please add it, then send this report. After some days you will receive a notification, and then you can find out follow button on your Facebook page. So this is the way to add follow button on your Facebook page. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.